Thank you for being here. Today we are gathered to discuss the crucial aspects of IELTS read section, the true, false, not given. Mastering these questions is essential for anyone aiming to achieve a high score in the IELTS, whether for academic purposes, professional advancement, or immigration. Understanding the question types first. Let's define these questions. Types in the true, false, not given questions. You are presented with the statements based on a reading passage. Your task is to determine whether each statement is true, the statement agrees with the information in the text, false, the statement contradicts with the information in the text, not given, the text does not provide enough information to decide whether the statement is true or false. Strategies for the success. To tackle these questions effectively, it's important to adopt a systematic approach. Read the instruction carefully. This might sound basic, but ensuring you understand what is being asked in the first step to success. Skim the passage first, get a general idea of the content and structure of the text. This will help you to locate a specific information more efficiently. Identify the keywords in both the statements and the passage. Look for the keywords or phrases. This will guide you to the relevant part of the text. Compare closely. When you find the relevant part of the passage, compare it closely with the statement. Pay attention to details and nuances. Avoid assumption. Base your answer strictly on the information given in the text. Do not infer or assume information that is absolutely stated. Common pitfalls. Many candidates struggle with the distinction between false and not given. Remember, a statement is a false if the text absolutely contradicted. A statement is not given if the text does not provide enough information to confirm or refute it. For instance, if the text states the sun sets in the west and the statement is the sun sets in the east, this is clearly a false. However, if the statement is the sun sets quickly and the text does not mention the speed of a sunset, this would be not given. Practice makes perfect. Like any skills, practice is the key to mastering these questions. Regular practice with the simple IELTS reading passages will help you to become familiar with the types of text and questions you will encounter. Pay attention to your mistake and understand why a statement is false or not given. Found these tips helpful? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also preparing for the IELTS. Got questions about the IELTS? Drop them in a comment below and I'll be sure to cover them in the future video.